Okay, in this segment, we're going to do a little bit more with our website, adding a little bit more excitement to it. And yeah, here we go. So the next thing we want to do is we want to come up here and we want to add another page. Well, we're going to drop a sub page down from landscapes. So, so when you go over landscape or mouse over it, it'll drop down another sub menu. So we go to pages, add a page, a standard page, and I'll do it with a short header or no header on this one. I'm going to call this one More Videos. And I'm going to place this underneath landscape and off to the side a little bit. See, any one of these can be moved around. Home, though, is going to be stuck in your home position. But you can move contacts at the bottom of this, okay? But I'm going to have this is going to be a sub page underneath landscapes. So when I hit save and edit, now when you mouse over landscapes, you can click on landscapes to look at the one, or, so here's the landscape one. But if you come down and click on more videos, there's another new page here. I'm going to go in and add a double page column to show you how to do that. So now with their split columns, then we're going to go to YouTube video and put it right there. So now I'm going to have videos side by side. Then I go off to YouTube, File, New Window, bring up YouTube. And I'm going to put landscape, photography, okay, and go find another one. Here's one on landscape tips. I can watch it first to make sure I know what I like. Now, if you ever see these advertisements, I'm just going to mute it here for a second. If you see these advertisements, wait for the advertisement to be done, which probably won't even matter because they're going to see advertisements as well. But then you can watch the video for a minute and turn the sound on and.
Hey guys, so just a quick intro.
Yeah. So let's say if you like that video, again, pick the URL, Command C or Control C on a PC, but Command C on a Mac, minimize that, click on this, and it says, what is the URL? The address is Command V, there's the address. Click somewhere else, and that shows up. So I've got that is a video tip on how to do landscape photography. I want to place another one here. So I'm going to go to YouTube, drag it to that side. Great. And then I need another YouTube video. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to grab this one, Introduction to Landscape Photography Part 1. If you like it, great. Okay, I'm just going to stop it here. There's the URL address for that. Command C, minimize that. Go over to this one, what's the address? Command V, and click somewhere else. There's another one on it. So then I can place a divider. Then I'm going to place a title above that. Check out these YouTube videos on landscape photography. And I'm going to center that, so I just like to triple click on it or select it all. Just select it all or triple click. Center, I'm going to do my red again so it kind of matches my whole theme. And publish. So now I've taught you how to do a drop-down menu off of another one. Again, that's under Pages, and it drops down, so I just move it aside. Now if I do this and hit Save, it's beside it. But if I want to start stacking down, I can stack it by going to Pages, move it over a little bit. It drops into place, save, and now it's a drop-down menu. If I want to make another one, Pages, add a page. This one's going to be just a standard page, short header, no header on this one. This one's going to be called Contact Me on My Landscapes, or something like that. I'm just playing out loud here. Right there. So now when you see this drop-down menu, hit Save and Edit. Now when you see this, it comes up and says Landscape, Contact Me on My Landscapes, More Videos. So if I want to build that page, I click on that page. Here's just this blank page that is that one right there, okay? And then I can add some contact information to contact me, about checking out my stuff, I can click on here and just say, fill out this form, and I will contact you back, and save. So now when they go to that, they're going to see that. Publish. So I always want to be publishing after you're done. Then you can go check out your thing, contact me. Cool, isn't that neat? More videos. You can email me. You can just keep adding. You can add a logo right here if you've got a nice logo for your company. Go back to the home to check out the person. I have built a website very quickly here, and it's very addicting. Now, real quick here, the last thing I want to do in this last segment is to stay organized, to put all of the images that you found off the internet, all of your information that you've built, all of the things you've done in Photoshop, you might build some banners, everything you have for this website, keep it all in a folder off on your desktop. So you can find everything you need, and then I like to keep that on a thumb drive and carry it with me as my website, or I can use like Google Docs, not Google Docs, but Google Drive to save everything from that. Whatever you can to keep organized, because you don't want to be at your aunt's in Arkansas working on your website because you're bored at Thanksgiving time, and you're working on your website there and you leave things on her computer, and then you go back to Utah or wherever you live, and you go to work on your website again, and you go, oh darn, I left some photos I found on the internet that were really interesting for my website. I want to change those, but they're back on my aunt's in Arkansas. I should have kept it with me. So that's why you want to keep everything with you on a thumb drive or an SD card or on Google Drive or somewhere. So you just stay organized building your website and have it all on one computer where you know where it's at, and then of course back up everything. Now there's a lot more things to teach about Weebly. Weebly has some video tutorials that's really nice. If you ever have a question, you can click on here and planning your site. Right now I'm at, I think it's, infinity. It looks like we can just go forever on how much website support and report a bug if there happens to be a bug in their system or whatever. Settings has more settings. It says what it's called. It's called Photos by Lou. This is where you change Photos by Lou. You can add a site password. So people have to put a password in to get into your site. So if you don't want anybody to see it on the World Wide Web, or at least when they go to it, it just says you got to have the password. You don't enter any further. There's some settings you can do, and there's more available if you have the Pro version, which is $40. I believe it's worth the $40 because there's some extra things that you get for that, and extra storage space, and you can build 10 Pro websites for that $40 per year. It's well worth it. Store is where you put your information is if you have a shopping, so it goes right to your PayPal account. Even a checkout display. You can do all types of things for people to shop online on your website. And I already showed you pages. You can change your entire website look. Let's say I want this color as my accent. Now my entire website just changed to that accent. Or if I don't even like my design anymore, I can go in and change my whole design. Now I want this to look like this. Choose. And now my entire website just got changed to that look. So when I hit publish, and go check it out. Now my website doesn't look the same anymore. It's totally different, but everything is still there. Here's all these contacts. Here's my more videos. Now it looks a little more stringent or clean. Whatever you're feeling, whatever the latest trends are, you can make the next page. But everything's still intact for you. Too much to tell you in segments, but that's some more. Have fun building your own website, blog, whatever you're doing. Goodbye.